In this lesson, we will go over the offset sketch feature in Fusion 360. This feature comes in handy when needing to copy a larger or smaller contour, equally spaced from its original 2D contour. We will first start with a circle. Select the offset feature as shown. Next, select the contour you would like to offset. Finally, specify the distance necessary. Next, we will use the offset feature on a square. To form an offset, make sure the chain selection has been checked prior to selecting one of the lines of the square. Use the flip button to change the direction of the offset to be smaller or larger by the offset distance chosen.